We were fortunate this morning just to find a few branches and leaves in our driveway and our walkway when a reported tornado flew right over our house last night. Our next door neighbor had this branch twist off and land in his front yard. And this is our neighbor John Mackay blowing the leaves off his driveway. I'm glad he had no real damage today. Our neighbor next door to him had these two trees. One was pulled out and one was twisted off, and they both landed on his roof and his deck. The Gialamis next door to them had this large tree fall on their deck. Fortunately for our neighbors here, the tree just landed in the water and there was no real property damage. The path of destruction is clearly evident as I drive down my neighborhood roads. Large branches and trees fallen everywhere. Unfortunately, our neighbors here had their car hit by this huge tree. An awesome scene at the family park just a half mile from our house. Huge trees fallen and twisted apart. A sign of rotational winds, twisted tree limbs are everywhere. But we got really lucky last night because most of the property damage was small and no one was reported hurt.